Replit has been on fire lately, and there are so many updates that I'm kind of like struggling to keep up with everything. Among all of different AI vibe coding tools out there, Replit kind of stands out in almost everything. Here is how I will explain Replit in one sentence. Replit lets you build real apps using natural language with everything handled in one place. You don't need a technical background, you don't need to switch between tools, you don't need to worry about infrastructure. You just type what you want and Replit builds it for you. And the craziest part, you can do this from your phone as well. Replit has a mobile app on both Android and on iPhone. Your app ideas literally fit in your pocket. Let me just quickly show you how this actually feels like. So here I am on replit.com. You can just go to replit.com or just click on the link in description and then you can start using it absolutely for free. And now I'm going to start a new project. You can simply just click on this create an app and after that you can describe what you want in plain English. I'm going to give it this prompt, which is build me simple dashboard that tracks tasks, deadlines and priority. That's it. Also, I can choose between, do I want a web app, do I want a mobile app, a data app, a 3D game, automation, or maybe I can start absolutely from scratch. So I am going to choose web app and then I'm going to press on enter, and now Replit Agent will start working on this application. This is not going to be just a mock-up, this will be a real working application. Replit handles everything on its end. It will build backend if it is required for this application. It will create database, it will create authentication system if it is required for the application. And the most interesting part is you don't need to provide anything to Replit. Let's suppose to create a database, you don't need to provide something like Supabase. Replit is going to manage everything by itself. And there you go, within literally just less than a minute while we are just like talking randomly, so it has already built this dashboard for us. Now I can simply just click on this add new task. You can see add new task functionality is working. I can just add a new task, pick a date, and then I can simply just click on this create a task and you can see a new task has been created. So this is the new task. I'll simply just click on check and now you can see the task has been completed and this task has been added inside this completed section. This is a fully functional application, guys. And you know the most fascinating part, if you just go to this database section from here, if you just click on that, and here you will find that Replit has already configured everything related to database inside this application, and you can see it has already created that table, and now you can find all of the tasks which were created in here. You can see the 3 tasks were actually the demo task that Replit already created for us, and this is the 4th task that we created. And also you can see this 4th task that we created, it has been completed, so it has already been marked as completed. So that means not only the database is integrated, but it is fully functional as well. Now you can even create new tables as well if it is required, or otherwise you can just ask Replit to add further features into this project. So let's just give it few more tasks. So let's just ask it to add a search bar and also make the overview tasks red and add user login as well. So these are the 3 features that I want to add further. So now I can simply press enter again, and now Replit is going to implement these functionalities. And also because we need to add the user login, so it will add proper authentication system into our application, and also you'll see it will create new tables in here to manage user data as well. So let's just switch back to our preview, and also let's just see how much time Replit is going to take this time to finish this task, because this time it has to complete 3 different tasks. The first one is to add a search bar to search for the task. The second feature is to make overview task red, and the third feature is to add user login. There you go. I think it is already done. It took literally less than a minute and it has already integrated all of these different features, and you can see it worked only for 57 seconds and our task is complete. And now I can simply click on this login with Replit button, and now we can simply just log in. And that's it. For better experience, we could just publish our application as well, but I'll just guide you in a minute how you can publish this application. And now let me just test this functionality, which is search task. If I just look for this particular task, and you can see it only is showing me this particular task because I just entered this word, and this word is only present in the title of this task only. Also you can see it has made the overview task red as well. So I just created a new task and the task completion date is today's date, so it has made this task red. Honestly, this doesn't feel like coding at all. It feels like collaborating with a product team that never sleeps, and that's what vibe coding really means. And also once you're satisfied with your application, now you can simply just click on this publish button, and now you can just publish this application with just one single click. And you can also add your own custom domain as well. And by the way, you don't need to buy any extra servers to host your application. All of this is going to be managed by Replit. And you can see right now it is deploying this, and in fact it's deployed already, and we already have got this domain as well. You can also see while it added these 3 features, so it also created this table as well for users. So this is the users table, this is the tasks table, and this is the sessions table. And also because your app is deployed now, you can easily just click on this link and you can easily access this app anywhere. So it is ready to share with your family and friends. One of the biggest reasons Replit stands out is Replit's native AI integrations. So inside Replit, you can instantly use hundreds of AI models, text, images, audio, even video without managing keys or accounts. You can even use different AI model providers, something like OpenRouter as well. So using OpenRouter, you can access thousands of different AI models that you can directly integrate inside your application. You can easily switch between providers, experiment freely, and build AI powered features directly into your app. You don't need any setup, no jumping between platforms, no wasted time. And this is huge if you're building tools, workflows, or AI powered products. Another really important feature inside Replit is connectors. So connector lets you connect third-party applications directly inside Replit. You can connect tools like Asana, which is for project management, Dropbox, 11 Labs, GitHub, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Sheets, HubSpot. There are plenty of different third-party applications that you can directly integrate inside Replit using Replit connectors. And this connectors functionality basically makes it super easy and super simple to build any of the applications that uses any of these third-party services. So you can easily use Replit connectors and then build an application that uses services from 11 Labs, GitHub, Google Calendar, HubSpot, Jira, Linear, Notion, OneDrive, Outlook, Resend, and all of these different third-party applications. There is no complicated authentication system. There is no manual wiring. For example, you can build an app that pulls file from Dropbox or data from Notion in minutes. And this is where Replit stops being just an app builder and becomes a serious productivity platform. Here is who I think Replit is perfect for. If you are a founder or an entrepreneur, you can build internal tools, dashboards, or full SaaS products and actually monetize them. Sales and marketing teams can also use Replit to build AI node tools, campaign dashboards, or maybe something like internal trackers. Similarly, operations teams can build custom systems for workflows, vendors, onboarding, or internal processes. And product and design teams, you can bring designs to life quickly, turn ideas into working apps, and iterate fast. This is not about experiments. People are building real production ready apps on Replit. One underrated thing, you can build anywhere, on your laptop, on your phone, on the go. I have started projects on desktop and continued refining them on mobile. That flexibility completely changes how often ideas turn into actual products. What makes Replit special isn't just the features, it is the mindset shift. Instead of asking, can I build this? You start asking, what should I build next? And that's the power of vibe coding using Replit. If you want to try it yourself, just go to replit.com or just use the link in description and you can start using Replit right now. If you have any further questions, let me know in comment section and I see you next video. Bye bye.